How do I create a stage channel? In order to create a stage channel, you will need to have the Manage Channels and Manage Roles enabled for you in the server. If your server is already a community server and you have the needed permissions, follow these steps below. Start by creating a new channel. You can do this by pressing the plus button in the sidebar channel list or by heading into the server settings menu and selecting Create Channel. Select the Stage Channel option as the channel type. Note that currently only users with Manage Channels and Manage Roles can create new stage channels. Once you hit Next, you will be prompted to add roles or members who you want to grant stage moderator permission to. How do I add, remove stage moderators? We've constructed a special UI to make it smooth as a way to add, remove level moderators. However, the underlying permissions are built on top of the permission gadget. This is why you may already see roles decided on within the UI and view that the one's roles already have the set of permissions on the server level. Level moderators need to have these permissions at the stage channel itself. Manage channels, mute members, flow individuals. You can additionally add or take away extra degree moderators after you've created the level channel by means of going into your channel settings. At the laptop app, when you press the Edit Channel button, you can then pick out Channel Permissions within the left facet bar, and you will then be capable of upload and get rid of your modern degree moderators. How do I adjust the topic? When the time comes, sincerely open the stage channel and click on Open the Stage at the lowest of the display. From there you may be able to set your subject matter and open the stage. The subject might be displayed at the top of the stage channel even as lively, and it'll additionally be displayed on the top of your channel listing even as the occasion is active.